Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to trade Bitcoin, which is BTC slash USDT pair on Tradingview in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the Tradingview subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get up to 80% off on all of the subscriptions. Plus, you will get additional 1 month free. Only 2 days left in the deal, so you can just simply explore the offers by using the link in the description. So when you come here on tradingview.com and when you log in into your account, simply click on the option of products tab here on the top. This is going to open any random chart in front of you, but since you want to trade BTC USDT pair, you can click on the option of this watch list icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now click on this plus icon. Here you need to search for the symbol that is called BTC USDT. So once you search for it, you will find the charts from bunch of different brokers, like we have from Binance, Bybit, OKX, Bitmap, Gemini, Coinbase. So you can click on any of these. So I'm going to be clicking on the Binance one, and the chart will be added here in the watch list of mine. So this is the Bitcoin and the USDT chart. Over here you can make changes into the time frame. You can just look at the chart and put your analysis, your strategy here on this chart. So this way you will be able to easily trade Bitcoin in TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.